Welcome to my channel Quizology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, let's dive in. Question: what is the primary function of a multimeter? Answer: B. Testing electrical circuits. Question: which tool is best used to test the continuity of cables? Answer: A. Cable tester. Question: what does a cable tester primarily check? Answer: B. Wiring faults. Question: when using a multimeter to measure voltage, which setting should be used? Answer: B. Voltmeter. Question: which tool is most suitable for locating faults in network cables? Answer: A. Cable tester. Question: what is the purpose of a multimeter's resistance measurement? Answer: D. To measure electrical resistance. Question: which device is used to verify the integrity of electrical wiring connections? Answer: D. All of the above. Question: why is it important to select the correct range on a multimeter? Answer: D. All of the above. Question: what does a cable tester indicate when a cable is faulty? Answer: C. Error signal or flashing lights. Question: which tool is essential for troubleshooting electrical faults in home wiring? Answer: B. Multimeter. Question: what is the typical use of a multimeter's diode test function? Answer: A. To test diodes and LEDs. Question: which of the following is a common feature of advanced cable testers? Answer: C. Both A and B. Question: how does a multimeter measure current? Answer: A. In series with the circuit. Question: which component of a multimeter is used to select measurement modes? Answer: A. Dial selector switch. Question: when testing a cable for continuity, what reading indicates a good connection? Answer: B. 0 or very low resistance. Question: what safety feature should a multimeter have? Answer: A. Overload protection. Question: for testing AC voltage, which multimeter setting is used? Answer: B. ACV. Question: which tool is best for stripping insulation from cables? Answer: B. Wire stripper. Question: what is a common use of a multimeter in repair work? Answer: D. All of the above. Question: which feature enhances a cable tester's ability to diagnose wiring issues? Answer: D. All of the above. Question: when is it necessary to calibrate a multimeter? Answer: D. All of the above. Question: which tool should be used to verify the voltage of a power supply? Answer A. Multimeter. Question: what does a high resistance reading in a cable test suggest? Answer B. Possible fault or break in cable. Question: which of these is a safety precaution when using multimeters? Answer D. All of the above. Question: how can a cable tester help in network installation? Answer D. All of the above. Question: what does a multimeter's continuity test check? Answer C. Circuit connection. Question: which tool is most suitable for diagnosing electrical faults in appliances? Answer A. Multimeter. Question: how do you interpret a fluctuating reading on a multimeter? Answer B. Possible loose connection or interference. Question: why is regular testing of electrical tools important? Answer D. All of the above. Question: which feature should a professional cable tester have for comprehensive diagnostics? Answer D. All of the above. Thanks for watching. Comment your score and any suggestions below. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.